Hi everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of Membership Minute, SGIA's new series dedicated to bringing you the latest in association news. To kickstart 2020, SGIA held its Congress of Committees on January 7th and 8th in Phoenix, Arizona. The annual summit brings together volunteer leaders from multiple industry segments to brainstorm and talk about pressing industry issues, and offer knowledge and guidance to drive initiatives that support both the association and the printing industry as a whole. If you haven't already gotten your hands on one, make sure you check out the latest version of the SGIA Journal called The Guide. This special issue outlines all of the association's departments and services designed to better serve members. Keep it on your desk all year long as a reference. And don't forget to pay special attention to the cover, which is finished with a glorious soft touch coating and foil, as a nod to the techniques that SGIA printer members specialize in every day. Earlier this month, SGIA opened its annual safety recognition program, which runs from January 1st to December 31st. The program encourages association members to integrate health and safety into standard business practices. Member companies receive points for specific activities and initiatives, and all companies that earn 80 points or more will receive an award and recognition on the SGIA website. The top 3 companies will also receive additional recognition. To get started in the program, head to sgia.org/program/safety-recognition. SGIA is an association built by and for the printing industry. To learn more about the benefits of becoming an SGIA member and how SGIA can help you grow your business, visit sgia.org or call 703-385-1335. The membership team is looking forward to hearing from you. See you next time. To get started in the program, head to sgia.org/program/safety-recognition. Oh, nope, that's not it. SGIA is to learn more about the benefits of